Imagine a world where diseases are cured in days, not decades, where financial markets can be simulated in seconds, and where encryption as we know it becomes obsolete. That world may not be built by AI, but by quantum computing. Quantum isn't just another buzzword, it's being called the most important technology since electricity. So the big question is quantum computing the next AI? And how will it change your life, your investments, and the world as we know it? Welcome back to The Alternative Investor, where we go beyond the headlines to uncover the next big shifts in investing, innovation, and global markets. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because what's coming next could reshape everything. And don't forget, grab your free stock on Robinhood using the link in the description below. Quantum computing isn't just about speed, it's about solving problems that classical computers literally can't. Traditional computers use binary bits, ones and zeros, to process data, but quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in a superposition of states. That means they can be a 1, a 0, or both at the same time. This allows quantum computers to explore multiple outcomes simultaneously, making them ideal for problems like protein folding, cryptography, logistics optimization, and even simulating new materials at the atomic level. In other words, quantum computing isn't just better, it's a fundamentally different kind of computing. The impacts of quantum computing could touch nearly every part of our lives. In healthcare, quantum computers could help model complex molecules and biological systems in ways classical systems simply can't. That means faster, more precise drug discovery, new vaccines, and even cures for diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and ALS. In environmental science, quantum simulations could help us understand and solve climate change by accurately predicting weather patterns, modeling carbon capture systems, and optimizing renewable energy grids. In cybersecurity, quantum is a double-edged sword. It could crack nearly every form of encryption we use today, but it could also enable quantum-safe encryption, creating the next generation of secure communication. The bottom line, quantum won't just optimize human systems, it could extend life, protect the planet, and redefine what's possible in science and engineering. Now let's talk about the money, because quantum's biggest commercial impact may be in finance. Portfolio optimization. Imagine being able to test trillions of portfolio combinations in seconds to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Quantum algorithms can crunch these possibilities at a scale we've never seen before. Risk management and forecasting. Quantum computing could allow banks to model black swan events, run stress tests in real time, and simulate economic scenarios with far more precision. Fraud detection. Financial fraud is all about spotting patterns, and quantum's parallel processing means it could identify anomalies before they cause losses. From Wall Street giants to hedge funds and fintech disruptors, everyone is trying to get a quantum edge, and once real-world applications scale, it could spark an entirely new financial infrastructure. AI has transformed industries, created trillion-dollar companies, and shifted how we work, live, and interact. But quantum might go even further. Where AI learns and automates, quantum solves. It tackles problems AI can't touch, like breaking RSA encryption, simulating atomic-level interactions, and modeling real-world uncertainty. And here's the most exciting part. We're in the early innings. Right now, quantum computing is where AI was in 2010. Raw, experimental, but rapidly accelerating. Companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, and startups like IONQ, D-Wave, and Reshape are pouring billions into this space. This isn't just the next wave, it could be a tsunami of change, and we're still near the shoreline. But let's be clear, it's not all upside. Quantum computing faces massive hurdles. The tech isn't there yet. Qubits are fragile, error-prone, and difficult to scale. Right now, most quantum systems are noisy and limited in how long they can hold quantum states. This is called decoherence, and it's a major roadblock. Outside of research, real-world quantum applications are still years away. Investors need to distinguish between companies with real tech and those selling quantum dreams. Once quantum matures, it could break current encryption standards, exposing everything from bank records to national security. As with AI, we'll need new frameworks to ensure quantum doesn't disproportionately benefit a small group, or create unintended societal risks. Here's what savvy investors should keep an eye on. Government investment. Corporate partnerships. When companies like Amazon Break It or IBM Quantum start teaming up with commercial users, you know something real is brewing. Publicly traded quantum stocks to watch include D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS, which is focused on commercial annealing-based quantum systems. Then there's IONQ, ticker symbol IONQ, one of the most recognized pure-play gate-based quantum stocks. And don't forget Reshape Computing, ticker symbol RGTI, a developer of scalable superconducting qubit systems. These companies are risky, but they could be the early leaders in what might become a trillion-dollar sector. Quantum computing could be the most important breakthrough of the next 20 years. It may not be fully here yet, but the groundwork is being laid. So what do you think? Is quantum going to change the world like artificial intelligence did, or even more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it. If this video gave you new insights like it, subscribe to The Alternative Investor, and turn on those notifications, because we're just getting started. And don't forget to grab your free stock on Robinhood using the link in the description. This is Robert with The Alternative Investor, where innovation meets investment.